million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
Hey, y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip from one of my most favorite human hair companies, because y'all know human hair really ain't my thing, but I can vouch for this company. And they sent us over 2 wigs, and that's Nadula hair. They have sent us tons of hair, and y'all should know by now, unless you do hair, I'm really transparent, a little bit too transparent. If the hair sucked, I would tell you, and Nadula hair really does bop. Like I said, they sent us over 2. They both say, look, Merry Christmas. I'm going to just start with this one. I don't know what to see that. Let us see. All right. Oh, it's a hard box. Look, it fold over. Okay. All right, but let's see this first wig they sent. In here, they sent some things to tie down your edges. Y'all know I ain't got none. Shut up. Some stocking caps and a little charm bracelet. Oh, a little charm bracelet. Okay, they do well. Let's look at this wig though. It says that it is 26 inches long, a body wave. Okay. Straight to the point, okay? If you look in the description box, you'll see all the details of this wig, and Nadula hair normally gives us a coupon code, so go check them out, sis. Okay, them some long ass baby hairs. I'm gonna have to cut. Taking the paper out. Ooh, look at that body wave. She got body, and she waving at you. Okay, let me just plop this on my head before I cut off the lace, just so you can see it. Okay. Them some long ass baby hairs. They look like bangs. But you know, that's done so you can cut them down to your liking. Y'all look. Yes, God. Okay, there go them baby hairs. I'm gonna cut. I don't need them, but y'all look at that though. Ooh. Ooh. And look at that doggone body wave. Yes, ma'am. Y'all look. Ooh. All right, y'all, that is gorgeous. As far as the cap construction goes, look at all this parting space. You can part this wherever you want to, baby. Okay. You also get a comb to the right and a comb to the left. In the back, you get a comb and adjustable straps. All right, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's cut off this lace and play around with this little wig. Okay. I'm gonna not cut them baby hairs because y'all know I'm getting rid of this because I don't wear wigs, human hair wigs like that. Let us play with it though. Alright, y'all, so y'all know I ain't no baby hair person, but I mean, they look like some fucking bangs that's been slicked down. In order to give this wig the justice that it does deserve, like I had to move those out of the way, but y'all, and somebody that's a baby hair slayer, like this wig gonna be right up your alley, because I can't say, if I were keeping it, I would cut out them baby hairs and this wig would be an entire bop. Y'all, 26 inches long. Pull it up over my little oatmeal pie looking belly. Here's my belly button, and that's where it falls. Y'all, this wig is it. This body wave in this length. Yes, Lord, it's a win. It's a win. It's a win. Nadula for the win. I definitely recommend this one, y'all. And y'all know that human hair is so expensive to me. My conscience won't let me lie to y'all. If this wig was trash, I swear on everything I love, which is Bavarian cream donuts and y'all, I would not lie to you. Okay, I promise this wig is a bop. This wig is a hit. It's just I know I'm not going to wear it. Therefore, it'll go on Poshmark. Don't laugh at my baby hairs. But y'all, thumbs up on the wig. It is absolutely a must. It is absolutely a win if you are looking for some human hair. I can get my hands straight through this, y'all. I'm not getting no shedding, no tangling, and it was lace to cut off. Definitely recommend. Like I would say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your hair Nadine. I meant your aunt Nadine, okay? Maybe it's your uncle Nathaniel, whichever one. Send them our way, and me and Nadula hair and get them right. Woo! Win! Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.